Example number 6. It says verify the identity. Example number 6. It says verify the identity. Verify the identity. Tan theta equals 1 minus cosine 2 theta over sine 2 theta. Verify this identity. Then we can get a formula from this identity. After proving this identity, we can get another formula for half the angle for tan. Let's take the right side. The right side, which is 1 minus cosine 2 theta over sine 2 theta. So it's 1 minus. We have here two choices to write cosine 2 theta. If I want to eliminate one, we can write cosine 2 theta. Cosine 2 cosine square theta minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sine square theta. I think we have to use the second one here just to eliminate one, because we have here 1 minus 1, so it becomes 0. So I'm gonna write here 1 minus 2 sine square theta over sine 2 theta equals 2 sine theta cosine theta. So one negative here, the negative changes the sign in sign. This one will be negative, so 1 minus 1 plus 2 sine square theta over 2 sine theta cosine theta. We have here 1 and 1 cross, so we're gonna get up 2 sine square theta over 2 sine theta cosine theta. We can eliminate 2 and 2. We can eliminate 1 from these two signs over the sign down here. So we're gonna get sine theta up over cosine theta down, which is what? Which is tan theta. So this identity is verified. So we can take this one, this identity, and it will be a formula. Tan theta equals 1 minus cosine 2 theta over sine 2 theta. What if I want to replace this theta to be alpha over 2? So tan, change each theta to be theta over 2 or alpha over 2. So this one will be alpha over 2 equals 1 minus cosine alpha over sine alpha, and this is new formula for tan alpha over 2. Tan alpha over 2 equals, can be written as 1 minus cosine alpha over sine alpha. 1 minus cosine alpha over sine alpha. This identity is verified from here. This is extra. Now on your own, prove that or verify the identity. Verify the identity. Tan theta equals sine 2 theta over 1 plus cosine 2 theta. Using the same technique, the same idea here. And then after this, after verifying this identity, I'm gonna write here tan alpha over 2, tan alpha over 2 equals sine alpha over 1 plus cosine alpha, and this also new formula for tan alpha over 2. Tan alpha over 2 can be written as 1 minus cosine alpha over sine alpha, or sine alpha over 1 plus cosine alpha. From these two, we can solve number 7. Verify the identity. This is example number 7. Verify the identity. Verify tan alpha over 2. Tan alpha over 2 equal cosecant alpha minus cotan alpha. Cosecant alpha minus cotan alpha. We can start from the right side. Cosecant is 1 over sine alpha minus cotan is cosine alpha over sine alpha. Now we can take sine alpha common down here. Then up we are gonna get 1 minus cosine alpha. Is 1 minus cosine alpha over sine alpha. 1 minus cosine alpha here. 1 minus cosine alpha over sine alpha. 1 minus cosine alpha over sine alpha gives what? Tan alpha. This is an identity. 1 minus cosine alpha over sine alpha equals tan alpha, and this is an identity. So that this identity is verified. Now it's your turn on your own, and this is the last example for today. On your own, verify the identity. Tan alpha over 2 equals tan alpha over 2 equals secant alpha over secant alpha cosecant alpha, secant alpha cosecant alpha plus cosecant alpha. Verify this identity, and this is the last one in this lesson.